Hi, I'm Joe from Slingmods. Today we're going to be installing our F4 Custom Windshields using the factory hardware and the included grommets and washers. Let's get started. First, you're going to want to pop your hood. Using a T27 torque bit, remove this bolt from the driver's side corner. Then remove the same bolt from the passenger side corner. Then remove this bolt from the center of the windshield. Now that you're able to cant the windshield slightly forward, it should lift out pretty easily. I have everything you need to install the windshield laid out here. This is the existing hardware, and these are the included washers from F4 Customs. Notice that the two corner windshield bolts are longer than the center bolt. The first thing you're going to do is remove all the factory rubber from the factory bolts. We're not going to reuse the rubber for the center mounting bolt, so we'll just set that off to the side. Notice in this group of washers there are 3 embossed washers that are plastic. Go ahead and put one of those on each of the bolts. Now, just for reference, for each of the corner bolts, you're going to use the factory rubber behind the windshield when you install it, like so. Now take your center mounting bolt and place one of the rubber washers onto the other washer that you already installed. Now it's time to insert the F4 Custom Windshield. Now I'm going to line up the holes from the passenger side, and I'm going to place the factory washer underneath the windshield. Then I'm going to install the factory hardware. Take the other enclosed rubber washer and slide it behind the windshield and line it up to the holes. Then install your center bolt. Tighten everything down using your T27 torque bit, but just to the point where it's snug. Over tightening the bolts could cause damage to the windshield. And that's how you install the windshield by F4 Customs. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and watch the full review on this product. And if you think this product is right for you, it's available at slingmods.com.
Come on, say it, whoa. Come on, say it, all you want. In your system, endorphins listen, dripping all you want. Endorphins increased, hypothalamus. What will come of this? Surely to like it.